And I do want to explain really quickly on this. This was also busted. This is ripped. So it was leaking here, here, and here. What a weird style clip. So I got one of them out. Such a weird design. This actually is completely hidden, and you only have to deal with this. And then it twists out over there where you can't get that off. But that means the way this clamp is sitting, it's just sitting exactly the same way. And I believe I'll have to reach in and do the same thing with this clamp, but I really don't have a good visual. So let me stick this clamp over here. Mike, I tried to push your intercooler up, and it's not really pushing up.
Okay.
And I really don't know. We're gonna install another hose, and we're gonna have the same situation. It's gonna be good for like 20 miles, and then before you know it, you're gonna have a hole. Unless this pipe maybe is due to heat, maybe it expanded and just went down, I don't know. But once we install this other hose, we'll be able to see what's going on. Also, this is moving. I don't know why is it moving. Okay, so the pliers that I needed, the crucial grip, these things are slipping. My tools are all over the place. I need something smaller. Such a difficult thing to do.
How are you going to get it back on there though?
Well, to get it on, it's going to be easier to take it off. I just have to get around it and snap it in. Okay. So this is a different type. This is the one you used to pull from the back, but the way it's installed, I think they installed it wrong. You see this little area back here? I think they should have installed it to where this is facing here, because then I could have reached in and I could have pulled on it. Okay. And I believe they're actually made so you don't have to remove them. You could simply pull on this and then release the hose. But I have no choice. I can't really pull on it because it's faced like that. It's behind.
Okay.
So, gosh, we got that. You know, I feel my viewers now not able to work on some of these things because I'm familiar with sprinters, okay? But they've redesigned this model to where, see, now even I have to learn this is a different clamp, different hose, different that. It's made different. It's like being a mechanic. It's like you have to learn every single vehicle. It's not like being a doctor. With a doctor, you could simply learn where the heart is, where that is, and then, you know, before you know it, you know where that stuff is. So now everything's disconnected. Now it's about removing the hose. I don't know, like, it's gonna be easy to remove it or hard, but clamp is off, so it should be good. Mike, whoever put this thing together did a really bad job. This radio, this, yeah, look, I would actually move the back enough to where it's not gonna rub anymore. Okay. But man, they did a crappy job. Like, whatever they needed to attach the, you know, the intercooler, they did not do it. And me trying to remove the hose, I can't really remove it because it's moving. So I don't even know. I may need your help in holding it because I'm pulling a pipe and...
So you want me to pull the intercooler forward?
Yes, because I'm pulling a pipe and it's pulling away. You want any gloves? Like?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to pull this hose and the whole thing's coming at me, you know? There's really not enough room to really pull it to begin with. And the next thing is, I mean, this should be easier to remove. I mean, we removed the clamp. That should be the only thing that's holding it. But realistically, I'm wondering, like, what's up with that? Like, we also have a sensor back there on that pipe. Okay, let's just, I guess, let me see it. You might not even reach it. So Mike, try to maybe get your hands, maybe we should put something else that you could lay on. This is loose, and that's why it's caused this issue. So
I can't see anything, so just tell me.
So just press on that.
This?
Yeah. Because I'm pulling it, and it's coming forward. Oh, see, right now we moved it into place. Right now it's really away.
Can you see where it's supposed to bolt in?
No, this is when you're actually fixing it to begin with. I feel like it's really hard to remove this. They fixed it and they broke it at the same time. Your hole is the size of a finger. A finger could go in. I put my finger in it right now.
In the pipe?
Yeah, look, right here. It's
okay, I believe
a huge thing. Oh, I'm sorry. Heck, how the heck do you pull it off? We removed the clamp. See, it's just loose.
I can't hold it.
No, of course, it's see, that's what I'm talking about. It's okay, maybe just get up, Michael. It's no use. I don't understand, like, even like this here, it won't go down. It's like, there's a clamp, we remove the clamp, why won't it go down?
Mm-hmm.
Such a weird thing. So, the sensor that's on it, it's in such a spot that I cannot even disconnect the sensor. There's no way I could get my hands around it. There's all kinds of pipes that's in the way. But Mike, there's that big hole like that. It's bad enough when it's a crack, it causes this hiss, but that's like a bullet hole.
You need to get the bottom part off, and then you can
I got, yeah, well, yeah. But it should.
What about using that pry bar on the bottom, where you hurt the intercooler that way?
I'm not gonna hurt the intercooler with using it, but thing is, Michael, the general rule of fixing stuff, you should never force anything.
Yeah.
So very easily we could be missing something. It could be a bolt, it could be a screw, but the question is, why would there be, like, it's like when they put a clamp, that's it. The clamp holds everything down. It should just go in, and that's it, and come out.
Jacob, you got a dirty nose. You been working on car too? You look just like your dad.
Hey guys, I just removed this charge hose. It's located here at the bottom. You've seen me try to struggle with it. Now, look, This is why we struggle. This is a top hose. You see how it's bent? This is not factory. And I've never seen this hose before. It's not factory. There is a seal here. So this seal, because it's busted like that, Michael, it's leaking here. And it's leaking here. This here was actually, a belt was actually touching this hose. Oh, you have an iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a picture with this. Oh, let me see here. Where's that other pipe? Let's see.
Okay.
Maybe take a couple more, like maybe like one from there. Wow, it's crazy. But anyways, guys, this was rubbing against the AC compressor, and I found this problem first. You will have trouble actually removing this a little bit once you remove the clamp, but you're gonna need to remove it from the bottom first, do a little twisty motion, and you're gonna need to really be rough with it to remove it. And then the top one should have just slide out normally, but because it's busted like it is, and this is another issue why it was stuck. But anyways, I'm going to now remove another one from that other van, and hopefully we fix it. Now that other one, the good one's out of the way, so this one's fine. And I do want to explain really quickly on this. This was also busted. This is ripped, so it was leaking here, here, and here. Michael, you're gonna be good after today.
All right.
At least for the turbo issue. If we don't find another problem over there, because look, it's a charge hose on that side,
yeah.
and if you bust it on that too,
Yeah, well, we'll be lucky.
let's see, we need a pliers. Oh, where's pliers? One thing you don't want to do is forget the pliers in the wrong spot on the engine, and then before you know it, that goes inside somewhere. Come on now. Where's my pliers? I mean, they're crappy pliers, but if they will fall in somewhere, it's not gonna be fun.
I know, you don't want to leave any
Exactly.
tools inside the patient.
Exactly. Like, I mean, you know, that happens a lot, but shouldn't happen this time.
Them,
I mean, I would not really lay them over here. Once I removed them, I would have dropped them on the floor or something. Oh, here they are, hiding behind. Okay, so anyways, let's go to the next
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.